just made it through the Friday afternoon Vegas traffic. Alright, so we're going to Brianhead Ski Resort in Brianhead, Utah, and we're going to be doing some snowboarding. Booked a room at the Cedar Breaks Lodge, so we'll check that out. I got the GoPro, got a head strap. Yeah, I'll see if I can't get some good footage on the slopes. The weather should be pretty good. The snow should be pretty good. Probably maybe have a beer or something at the restaurant tonight. Thinking about getting a steak. I got about a 3-hour drive. Hopefully the drive goes pretty smooth. So I made it to Cedar Breaks Lodge. We're here in Brianhead, Utah. Let me give you guys a tour of the room. All right, so starting off, you got a little kitchenette here, a little microwave, table. Got the big screen. Got a fireplace, a fake fireplace, I should say. And here is not much of a view. And we got the 2 beds and the bathroom. That's pretty much it for the room. I think I'm gonna head down to the restaurant, see what they got on the menu, and get some dinner. All right, so I'm here at the restaurant. We got the chicken pesto pasta, and I got a nice beer to go with it. Pretty good, pretty good. Just got back to the room. Got done eating at the restaurant. Pasta was good. The beer was pretty good. I would recommend the blueberry Hefeweizen. That's my choice. I'll be getting one tomorrow night, or 2, maybe 3. Now I'm going to unpack my snowboard, get all my stuff ready for tomorrow morning. All right, we got the board all unpacked. We got the pants, the jacket, and the board. The bindings are new. Burton Missions. The board's pretty old though. It's a Burton 7. But still in good condition. So, you know, I keep riding it. Then we got the 32 boots. I got the board a long time ago. I started snowboarding when I was probably 13. And I think I took probably 10 years off. I started riding a lot of dirt bikes. Didn't snowboard as much, so we've been getting back into the snowboarding scene. I think I went one time the past few years, maybe twice. So, but you don't really forget how to snowboard. It's like riding a bike. Tomorrow should be good. I think we're gonna head out here around. I'll have to check, see what time the lift's open, but we'll get out here as soon as we can in the morning. I just gotta buy my lift ticket, and then we'll be on the slopes. I'll be rocking the GoPro tomorrow. Try to get some good footage. I got a head strap, and I got a little handheld tripod type deal. Right now, I'm just going to get ready for bed, probably watch some TV, probably fall asleep after that. So, you know, we'll see you guys in the morning. Saturday morning, we're all geared up to go. I just texted the shuttle bus, so we're gonna head down there, catch the shuttle over to the slopes. We're gonna get this day started. All right, we're up here at Brianhead. The lifts were on hold for wind, but looks like they're starting to move now. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can't get on this chairlift. How's it going? Good.
made it. Yeah. I haven't been here in a few years, so should be pretty interesting. I do remember the good lines though, the good trails. I know you can go through these trees. It's pretty fun. Trees are a lot bigger than last time I was here. I feel like they're baby trees. Oh, the mountains, so beautiful. I love it. Yeah, we gonna bump down that right side, dude. It's gonna be sick. Yeah. Here we go, boys. Whoa. Gotta remember how to snowboard real quick. Carve, back, front. All right, we're good. How's it going?
Good.
Oh! Woo! Yeah!
How's it going? Good day, I'm fun.
Yeah, I just hit two runs, one on this lift and one over there. Pretty good. I haven't been here in about 4 years, so.
Real hard right now.
A little,
Glad you're back.
a little icy, yeah. Not icy, but a little hard, yeah.
Missing out. Hopefully you've been riding somewhere else.
Colorado last year, Salt Lake City the year before. So
We're in Colorado.
well, I was good. My mom lives like 45 minutes from Aspen, so I was gonna go there, and then I realized how stupid those resorts are, so I went to Sunlight, which is like a little bit closer to her, not as far as those resorts.
Yeah.
It's good though.
Glad I brought an extra jacket.
Right. See you guys. All right, let's go. A little saucy, dude. A little saucy, my guy. A little tree action. Yeah. Cut down here. Cut through here. Pop out here. Yeah. And we bomb. Woo! All right, up here on the mountain. Been a pretty good day. Got in a lot of runs already. Had some lunch earlier. Had some chicken strips at the cafe. Pretty good. Now I'm just getting in a few final runs before the day's over. And, well, time to shred the gnar. Bomb this and make it. Back at the room now, just freshened up, took a shower, felt amazing. I was exhausted from riding. It's about 3 o'clock, so we got in a good days of riding. It sucks the GoPro died a little early. I'm gonna have to get a couple extra batteries for it. I just got it, so it's the first time using it. So we learned a little bit with it. I think I had it angled a little bit too high too on the head strap, so next time we'll angle it down a little bit more. Pretty good day overall, I would say. It's too bad that the GoPro ended up dying though. On my last run, took a nice little run through the trees, and there was a little bump before a turn and I didn't see it, so when I went to slow down for the turn, launched up and just went right into the tree. So I figured I'd call it. After I hit the tree. That was a good way to end the day. Probably go down to the restaurant, get some dinner here in a couple hours. Might take a nap right now, relax, and then head home tomorrow to watch the Super Bowl. Alright, we're back at the restaurant here at the Cedar Breaks Lodge, and I'm ordering the cheeseburger tonight. And I got my beer, and we're chilling.
Alright, so my food just got here. Check it out. We got the cheeseburger and some fries. And then we got the UFC fight on. It's a pretty good night. My last night here, so I'll let you know how this burger is. Alright, just got back to the room from dinner, and I'm full, and I'm tired. Had a beer, had a burger. I'm ready for sleep. I'm gonna pack it up in the morning and head back to Vegas. Sunday morning. Time to get everything packed up and get back on the road. The weather outside looks pretty good right now. Kind of wish I was snowboarding again today. All right, well let's get to packing. Made it down the mountain. Stopped at the Mavericks here in Parowan. Got an energy drink. Ready for the drive back. Good weekend up here in Brianhead. The mountain was good. Snow was pretty good. So just another typical weekend. I'm gonna go home now. Watch the Super Bowl. I think the Eagles are gonna take it, but I'd like to see the Chiefs win. I think Mahomes is built diff, but you know, I don't think he can carry the whole team to a Super Bowl win, so the Eagles look better overall. So we'll see. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you next time.